Rainforest Cafe is a popular themed restaurant located in Disney Springs, a vibrant shopping, dining, and entertainment district within the Walt Disney World Resort. The restaurant is designed to mimic a rainforest environment, complete with lush greenery, cascading waterfalls, and lifelike animatronic animals such as elephants, gorillas, and birds. There are periodic thunderstorms and special effects with lighting and thunder, adding to the immersive experience. Reservations are recommended due to its popularity. It is a great recommendation and is well suited for families with children due to its engaging and entertaining atmosphere. The menu offers a variety of American and international dishes, including burgers, seafood, pasta, salads, and desserts. The Rainforest Cafe definitely provides a memorable dining experience, blending food with an interactive themed setting that appeals to both kids and adults alike. Take a walk on the wild side in two locations, inside Disney Springs, and a second Rainforest Cafe can be found in the very front of Animal Kingdom Park. I have been to both restaurants, and they equally present the same. Whatever experience you're looking for, the Rainforest Cafe is unique enough to try at least once. For more unique dining, stay with us right here on Wonderland Way.